Welcome to The Explainer. Today, let's talk about a seriously powerful tool for your game logic, the custom action.
If you work with blueprints, you've probably hit a wall when it comes to long-running tasks.
Things like waiting on an animation can get really messy, but there's a feature built just for this. And this is specifically for you Blueprint users. C++ devs can already do this, but this gives you that power.
Okay, so what is it exactly? It's a special Blueprint node that can modify the game, and this is key, wait.
Getting started is actually pretty simple. Create an action blueprint, override execute, and then call end action when you're done.
Okay, at its core, every single custom action takes one of two paths. This is super important.
So, synchronous actions, they finish right away. But asynchronous ones, they tell the game, hey, wait for me. Check out this synchronous flow. See how end action is called inside execute? That means the VM never even pauses. Okay, now for async. Here, execute finishes, the VM pauses, and just waits for you to call end action later.
But it's not just about waiting. This is where you get some real power-ups for your game logic.
For example, you can make actions that loop, or actions that report back if they actually succeeded or failed. And this brings up a super critical rule. If you forget to call end action, your logic will literally wait forever. So how does the engine even manage all this waiting without, completely breaking? Well, it basically comes down to two really clever tricks happening under the hood. While your action is waiting, the system holds onto a special pointer, keeping it safe from being accidentally deleted. Once you call end action, that protection is gone, and everything cleans up nicely. It's super robust. And what powers all this? A single instruction in the logic VM, opcode 256, the custom action. So let's wrap this up. The big takeaway: custom actions let you blow past old blueprint limitations. They solve those tough async problems, give you flexible execution paths, and are totally garbage collection safe. So with the power to pause, loop, and wait, what kind of awesome stuff are you gonna build?